is the Kincardine record. It's Monday, January the 18th. And this looks a lot like last week. I'm looking out at Highway 21 south of Kincardine. I'm standing right in front of superheat. But it's super cold out here. Highway 21 is closed again. As you can see from the signs. And actually you can't see anything but the sign. Because it's blowing and drifting snow. Whiteout conditions, nil visibility. I think they opened this road last Wednesday, and then they closed it again Sunday night. Last night, it's, as you can see, snowing, horizontal snow. There's superheat. Well, maybe you can't see. Anyway, if you're in Florida or enjoying nice weather down south, don't write me about it. I don't want to know. Standing here in the cold and snow in the closed road, it's the Kincardine record capturing the weather.